It is that time again, and the winter FabFitFun box arrived. It actually arrived several days ago, maybe even a few weeks ago, and it is set on my kitchen floor because I've not had the time yet to get to it. So I have been anxiously awaiting. I was actually going to do this with another person. We were going to open them together, but all the COVID fun has kept that from happening. So you just get me today. So let's get to it. And I believe that the FabFitFun extra sale started today. So any extras that they have left over, I believe you can go and purchase those. Let's hope there's some manicure stuff in this one because my nails are rough. After packing up, oh, look at there, Katie Couric. Now there is a woman who has aged gracefully. Like, I mean, she's beautiful, but she doesn't look fake or plastic or like she's had a million things done. Has she had work done? I don't know, but she still looks natural. So, oh, got me a little FabFitFun sticker this go round. Some other little HelloFresh things, HBO Max, Bright Sellers, add a little sparkle to your shine. Ooh, okay, so I am excited. Okay, so I did go on and try to pick out a few things. A couple of things I wanted were gone, but a couple of things I wanted, hopefully, well, I know that they're in here because I see them right now. The Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. Girl, I love me some coffee. I drink coffee all day. That's not good, but I have 4 kids and Mama's tired. So this is gonna be amazing. I'm so excited to give this a try. So teeth whitening kit there, normally $89.99. It comes with the gel and the LED light tray, and it's supposed to give me a wider smile. So y'all take a look. Next time you see me, perhaps my smile will be glowing in the dark. So I do have on a little bit of glow milk from last time. So just a little shine, that's from there. Oh, what else we got here? This looks like the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette. I think I actually went for this one as well because one of my twins, my 3-year-old twins, got into my eyeshadow not so long ago, my little naked palette, and there's not much left of it. So I am excited to give this a try. That looks beautiful. And let's see here, this is normally $45. So again, I paid $50 for this box, and I've already made my money's worth, like over double. Achieve warm daytime and smoky nighttime looks with 12 crease-proof shades. So I do love to wear like spicy, warm kind of tones. So I can tell you I am very excited to give these a try. Very excited. Laura Geller, don't know who you are. Not a paid person, so don't keep up with you, but I'm excited to give you a try. So, ooh, let's see. Oh, we have a Kind Thins bar. I did not put this one down, so I'm thinking this one might just be a freebie. Little dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. Had a few different kinds of Kind Thins. I'll give that one a try later. All right, I think I also, yes, I know I asked for this one as well. This is the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. So one of my biggest problem areas is under my eyes, for sure. I'm kicking the heels of 40. And I have 4 kids, including a 10-year-old, a 7-year-old, and twin 3-year-olds. I'm past the like they sleep off of the night stage, but for some reason I still look like I've, missed, I don't know, 10 years of sleep. I also have these problem areas with dark circles under my eyes. I've had my adenoids taken out when I was younger, but I get very large dark circles, but I also have like lots of like puffiness under my eyes. The skin will even pull towards my eyes. So I don't even know what that's about, but it's just one of those things that we have to look forward to as we age gracefully, like Katie Couric. Very excited to give this a try though. Normally $68. I can tell you right now, I love beauty counter face products, but rarely will I spend the money on them. So I use a lot of like oil of Olay because my grandmother lived and died by that, and the woman literally was absolutely stunning till the day she passed. So I just feel like maybe that's in my genes, but I would definitely give some eye renewal balm, anti-wrinkle, anti-rides cream a go. So I am very excited to see what that little treat will do. But like I said, that is normally $68. It's got vitamin C, green tea extract. It's gonna help reduce puffiness. Yeah, and hydrate the eye area. I think that that may be a product that was made for me, so we'll see about that. Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Star Blemish Patches. Okay, this is just one of the ones they threw in there, but I've heard about these. You take the little star, I guess they're star shaped, and you put them on your like little friends that pop up, like these little guys. I don't know about y'all, but with the times we live in, wearing that mask around, you get the maskne. So all like right in here and right in here, I have found that I'm getting problem areas again, as though I wasn't pushing 40, but closer to, you know, 15. So that's been fun. Makes me feel young. Superhero ingredients. That's what it says. Normally gonna be $18. It says blemishes. Hello. Blemishes have no chance. That's an important call, so I've got to wrap this up. Guardian Angel. Ooh, more eye cream stuff. So it's like they knew me. Okay, like 5A Butanique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels, $25. Place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels under the eye area to reduce any puffiness. I'm telling you what, by the time I wake up in the morning, I ought to have dark, like sunken in eyes with no puffiness after my eye creams and my Guardian Angels. Ideal for tired and overworked eyes. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe my eyes are just overworked. Jet lag and pre-party prep. Well, good thing I have a party to go to this weekend by myself. It's gonna brighten, hydrate, and depuff. So it's got cucumber, rose extract, green tea. So this is pretty exciting. I don't know how many, 4 individually wrapped masks. It looks like you can probably use them. It comes with 2 sets. I don't know, I'll let y'all know though. I'll let y'all know. Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. Somebody gave them a heads up that I was struggling in the facial like radiance area. I've not been feeling very dewy lately from my other products. It's for radiant looking skin, and this is just the dry brush. You're going to use it on your forehead, nose, chin, that's your chin, cheeks, and your neck to stimulate your lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Oh my god, y'all, it's like, look. So everything's about my face, literally everything's about my face, but this is all puffy stuff. Look, puffy stuff right here, all the puffy stuff right there. Get well. Y'all, it's, you know how sometimes your phone can read your mind or hear you, and so it'll pop up ads and stuff. You know how I just said there needed to be some nail stuff in here? Look at this. Where is this bad boy at? London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. Here it is. Okay, found it. Nourish your nails with a blend of alpha hydroxy acids and vitamins B5 and C. $20. Again, never would pay $20. If I'm gonna pay $20 on my nails, somebody up the road's doing them. So, which has clearly not happened lately. So, oh my god. Okay, well, y'all, I'll have to report on all this stuff because I'm excited. Okay, if you know me, you know I love me some Kate Spade. She is just near, God rest her soul, near and dear to my heart. My first, no, I lie. My first expensive purse was not a Kate Spade. My first expensive purse came from Paris when I was on my honeymoon, and I spied it in the store, and my sweet brand new husband bought me, and I can't even remember what it was. I'll have to find out. It was a pink purse, and I loved it. But short thereafter, I fell in love with Kate Spade. So Kate Spade socks, never owned a pair of Kate Spade socks, mostly just jewelry and purses. So 4A Tula skin, no, this is not Tula. So I would like to try the Tula though. My sister raves about the Tula. I'm gonna try the Tula. Also for puffiness apparently. Kate Spade New York workout socks, a set of 2 pairs. Yay. They have a grip on the bottom. Yay, and an open design for comfort and breathability, and they have like the little Kate Spade gold embroidered like sewn in thing there. So, and these are typically $24. So I believe that's my box there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. Y'all, I mean, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm excited. I got my eyes situated, I got my face situated, and my teeth, my eyes, and my blemishes, and my nails and my feet. So we hit the trouble spots there tonight. So I am excited to give these a try. Like I said, no, not a paid affiliate. Don't even know what I'm doing with FabFitFun. Just get a box and love to talk about it. But again, I cannot recommend this enough. It is literally like a wonderful present sent to me full of surprises every season. So I plan to continue it and perhaps even discuss more, like review the items after I've used them. I continue to just love some of the products that I get and use them on a regular, if not daily basis. So very excited to give this stuff a try. Fixing to go wash my face, get on my creams, maybe try my teeth whitening, and see what tonight holds. So hope y'all are staying safe, and thanks for joining.